Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I will show you how to install Resynthesizer plugin in GIMP and guide you step by step so you can start using its powerful texture and healing tools quickly. Step 1. First, head to the GitHub page of the Resynthesizer plugin, or use the link in the description to download the zip file for GIMP on Windows. Once downloaded, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract all the files to a new folder for easy access. Step 2. Open GIMP and go to the menu bar. Click on Edit and then select Preferences. Scroll down in the Preferences window to find Folders, and then click on Plugins to see the directories where GIMP looks for plugin files. Step 3. Open the plugin folder from the directories shown, then drag and drop the extracted Resynthesizer folder into this location. This will make the main plugin files available for GIMP to use. Step 4. Next, locate the 3 script files from the extracted zip and drag and drop them into the Scripts folder, which is also listed under Folders in Preferences. These scripts enable specific features of the plugin, like healing and texture replacement. Step 5. Close GIMP completely and then reopen it to apply the changes. To check if the plugin installed correctly, go to the Filters menu and look for the Resynthesizer options. If you see them, the installation was successful. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tutorials.